PMI Improvements. More new features and optimized functions have been added to PMI module in ZW3D 2020. Let's take a look. This is a valve assembly consisting of several components. Enhanced bounding function is now supported for both shapes and assemblies. Weld can now help create annotations for the weld joints. Select the weld joint and set the symbol for it. Then the annotation for the weld joint is created. The annotation for coordinates has been optimized. Select a leader point and a text point to create a coordinate annotation. Except for setting X, Y, Z values in Dimension Editor, you can manually add height and thickness information in the same format. You can also create annotations for symmetry by selecting the entity, defining the center line and a text point. Creating an intersection symbol is also very easy. You just need to click the intersection symbol button and select two intersection lines or arcs. These new PMI functions can help you add more types of annotations to 3D models efficiently.